Green tea in a cake? Let me explain. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and add 90 grams of sugar. Whisk them together completely. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 grams of melted butter, and 45 milliliters of milk. Whisk those ingredients in. Then sift 95 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of matcha powder through a sieve. This will help prevent any lumps from getting into the mix. Stir everything together into one mixture. Then pour it out into a cake tin. Bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Remove your cake and carefully use a sharp knife to trim away the top crust. Then continue to cut sideways through the cake to create lots of identical slices. In a new bowl, mix 250 grams of cake mix, 3 eggs, 50 milliliters of milk, and 30 milliliters of oil. Electric whisks make this job really easy. Then pour in 20 grams of honey and whisk that through. Pour your mixture into another greased and lined cake tin. Then you can bake your cake mix for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Watch it rise. When it's cooked, remove from the oven and repeat your slicing process, creating layers of cake. Combine 400 grams of cream cheese and 90 grams of sugar, making sure to blend them together completely. Sift in 10 grams of matcha powder to produce the fantastic greenish hue in your cream. Look at it change colour. It's like magic. Then pour in 500 milliliters of whipping cream and whisk for a long time until it becomes nice and firm and you see peaks starting to form. Now mix 5 grams of matcha powder with 50 milliliters of hot milk in a small bowl. Take 200 grams of white chocolate pieces and pour over 150 milliliters of heated heavy cream. Whisk through to melt the chocolate, then pour and mix in your matcha milk. Then stir in 20 grams of melted butter. Finally, add 4 grams of gelatin to your mixture. Lay out a slab of green tea cake and spread over a thick layer of your matcha frosting. Now do a layer of honey cake, more frosting, and keep repeating until all the layers of cake are stacked up nice and high. Finally, use your remaining frosting to coat the whole surface of the cake. Use a knife or a spatula to smooth out all of the edges like a pro. Look at that! Super professional! Pour some green tea ganache on top. Carefully push it towards the sides, allowing it to drizzle just over the edge. Garnish with some fresh tarragon for a really fresh, unusual, and most importantly, delicious cake to share with all your friends.